Yo, so stoked. We got two unboxings today. One from Bold and one from APMEX. Wow. Let's open the Bold because I am really stoked because this is my first order from Bold. I got some silver. They have some really great prices, and you know what? If you order over $100, oops, they give you free shipping. Wow! So I got some buffaloes. What else? What else I got here? Just like stained at my table. Oh, I got some capsules. All right, cool. Ordered some capsules. Cool. But what we're interested in is this right here. What did we get? Tear that open. Oh, we got some buffaloes. I try to do the buffaloes. They're always pretty good prices online. Bold had really good prices. But I like them because they got the buffalo. I like animals. I love animals. And they got the Native American. I'm all about the indigenous. I'm an indigenous spirit myself. So we got 7 of these. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 of these. Awesome. Now let's open this purchase here from APMEX. Whoop. I think what we got, some more. There we go. Got one more layer. I really like how APMEX secures everything real nice. And I always get really speedy delivery. Sometimes they have really great deals. You got to check them out. Sometimes a little high, but at the end of the day, I don't have to deal with these premiums. Oh, open up one of these Ganesh rounds. Okay, look at that. Got these beautiful APMEX Ganesh rounds. We're gonna have to open one of those up. Got 2 of those, one for my lady. She loves this. And then what else we got? More buffaloes. 1 ounce silver round buffalo. We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. I love that sound. I really love that sound. Well, I'm gonna open these up right here. Stack them right up. Why is this giving me trouble? Shouldn't be giving me trouble. No trouble. Irie vibes always. There's 1. I could do with less plastic, but I get it. I want to keep everything secure, keep everything brilliant uncirculated. I always try to get mine brilliant uncirculated because I just love how shiny. Look how shiny these are. I love it. Love it. Not sure what mint these are specifically from, but they had the best prices that day. Silver was low. I had some extra fiat. I said, let me get some silver. Ooh, I love that sound. I love that sound when it's clanking. Clanking, clanking. Okay, we got 4. Bam. Bring these over here to you guys so you can see. Wow. I really love doing these unboxings because I really love silver. Love gold too, but I really love silver. You know, I love just everything about it. The shine, the sound it makes, the fact that it's actual real money. Okay. No funny money over here. We're all about stacking that real money. Okay, so nice. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. From APMEX. Nice. Now we got these guys. Bam. Cool. These are from a different mint. These are from Bold. The price is pretty good. Bam. And we should have 5 of these. Man, so much plastic. I can't wait until the day when all this is all hemp plastic. Maybe my own brand of hemp plastic. You know, surfing and stacking hemp plastic with some surfing and stacking rounds. So we got 7 of these from APMEX, and then we got 5 buffaloes from Bold. Look at that. Real nice. Real nice. Super stoked. Super stoked. Wow. Guys, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button below. Let me know what you think about the American Buffaloes. Let me know what you think about silver hitting 20. I got these before then. I'm happy about that. You know what I mean? Buy low, sell high, baby. Stacking and surfing, surfing and stacking, baby. We riding these waves. Ow! So, should we open these Ganesh? You guys know about the Hindi gods and goddesses. This is beautiful with Om on one side. So guys, I'm all about, ooh, look at that. Okay, I put these in capsules because these to me are almost proof-like quality. I mean, yeah, you got some scratches, but for real, these are such beautiful quality and great prices. They're on APMEX. I get these for my lady because she is a yogi. She's a yoga instructor. So she likes to get these. Or I like to get these for her. Ah, did I get the wrong size? No, I didn't get the wrong size. I don't know what it says. Ah, 32. Maybe I did get the wrong size. Yeah, I did. Whatever, that's life. But anyhow, they're so beautiful. Oof, look at that. Real, real beautiful. And then on the other side, it says Om. Wow. Here's another one. This is for our, you know, one's for her, and then this is one for our combined stack. I have my own stack, she has her own stack, and then we have a combined stack. Radical, guys. Super, super stoked. Thank you so much. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Silver, silver, silver. Silver's on a bill run. At least I believe so. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Love you guys. Have a great one. Keep surfing those waves of opportunities. Keep hitting that nature up. Keep doing your thing, living your best life. Stacking.